Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to crochet the bear coaster. It's going to be easy tutorial, so let's start the video. We're going to start by crocheting a magic circle. To make a magic circle, we'll wrap the yarn around 2 fingers in this way. Then insert your hook below the first loop, pull the second loop and twist it. Then we'll take the circle out, yarn over and make one chain. We'll make one more chain. Now into the ring we're going to make 12 double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we're going to mark the first stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And in this way we are going to make total 12 double crochets into the ring. Once you're done, then we're going to pull the short end and close the ring. And then into the first stitch we'll make a slip stitch. For the second round we're going to make 2 chains. For this round, we're going to make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So we'll start with the same stitch. Insert the hook into that stitch and make 2 double crochets. And I'm going to mark the first stitch. Come to the next stitch and place 2 double crochets. And like this we're going to complete the round. After completing the round, remove the marker and make slip stitch into the first stitch. Make 2 chains. For third round we're going to make 1 double crochet into the first stitch, and into the second stitch we'll place 2 double crochets. So make 1 double crochet into the first stitch. We'll mark the stitch. Into the next stitch we'll make 2 double crochets. Come to the next stitch, place 1 double crochet. And into the next stitch we're going to make 2 double crochets. And in this way we're going to complete the round. After completing the round, make slip stitch into the first stitch. For the next round, make 2 chains. For this round, we're going to make 1 double crochet in the first stitch, into the next stitch 1 double crochet, and into the third stitch we'll place 2 double crochets. So we'll start with the first stitch, make 1 double crochet and mark the stitch. Into the second stitch, make 1 double crochet. Into the third one, make 2 double crochets. And like this we're going to complete the round. After completing the round, we'll make slip stitch into the first stitch. And now into the same stitch we're going to make 1 single crochet. Then 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Into the next stitch we're going to make 3 treble crochets. To make a treble crochet, we'll yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. You have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Like this we're going to make total 3 treble crochets into the same stitch. Into the next stitch we're going to make 1 double crochet. And into the next one we're going to place 1 single crochet. This completes our first tier. Now into next 8 stitches we are going to place one slip stitch. Then into the next stitch we are going to place one single crochet, one double crochet in the next stitch, 3 treble crochets into the next stitch, one double crochet in the next stitch, and one single crochet into the next one. Then we'll make a slip stitch into the next stitch, and then we'll cut the yarn. And now we're going to hide in the loose ends. And we're done with the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching the video.